Hello, homemakers. Today I'd like to show you how you can turn a simple, everyday russet baking potato into the 47th President of the United States. To do this, we'll need a couple of tools. We need a sharp knife. Let's just make sure it's really, really sharp now. That should do. And for the finishing touches, we'll have our potato peeler. Looking at the potato, I see it's a good one. So I'm going to circumcise it around the top like this. There. That's done nicely. And then I'm going to cut away the sides till I get a fairly even and smooth cylinder. So we can work quite quickly with the sharp knife. It does tend to be kind of slimy, but that's okay. And keep in mind, all of these peelings are compostable. Okay, we're almost done here. Just want to work a little bit faster. Trim the bottom off. We don't want any discoloration either. Now it's time to finish the job with the peeler to smooth the sides very nicely. There's some unattractive warts on this. They're gone now. Very good. I believe I finished the job. The 47th President of the United States, a dictator. Thanks for watching.